So to create bills, you first need to create components for the bill. So you go to fees and bills, and then you go to components, and then when you click on it, you get this. So you can create component for the bill. If you want to create component, you first come to add new fee component. You click on it, select the date, enter fee component name, select the category. So let's say if we say book fees, and we have to go under stationery, we put the amount, and then we select whether it's general or specific. General means everybody in the school will use it. Specific means it will be applied to specific students. So we can select general, and then over here we can do primary 1, and then we save. So that component for primary 1, so that's another component for primary 1. Then we can add more component if we want. We can also copy this primary 1 component to primary 2. So we can do copy, and then primary 1 to primary 2, and then when you click copy, it will transfer all to primary 2. Okay, it's loading. So you see primary 2 now has the same bill as primary 1. Then once this is done, you come to bill preparation, you click on it, and then we go to lower primary, and then we try to add some bills. I'll delete this ones, then I'll show you how it's added. So over here we can add straight from the component. So we can go to primary 1, and then we say add components. So the components that we've set up first will come here. So those are the 2 components we've set up. You can also add your own customized bill items. So let's say medical fee. We can select the appropriate group for it, medicals, and then we say 100 cedis. That's for the term, and then that's it. And then we add to bill. So we click add, and then it's added. So that's it. So you go back, and then you see the total bill is here for lower primary, and then the next thing you can do here is to post it. When you click here, this bill components will be sent to all the students under lower primary. So that's what you do, and with that your bill preparation is complete. If there's something you want to add to the footer of your bill, you click on this icon, add footer icon, then you can type maybe toiletries, soap, blah blah blah, all the things you want to add, and then you save it. Then when you post a bill, it becomes an old bill. Together with the academic year. So that's that. Then then you can also do, so once the bill is posted, you can come to fee allocation. Now fee allocation is used to allocate specific fees to specific students. So what you can do is, on the left are the students, so you can select a couple of students, and then you can select a couple of let's say primary 1. So the student that will be loaded will be primary 1 students. So these are all primary 1. So you can add, you can select a couple of students, and then a couple of specific bill items, and then you click on allocate fees, selected fees to selected students, and then those specific fees will apply to only the selected students. So that's how you allocate fees. The next we can do from here is fee invoices. This is where we can print invoices or the bills for students. So over here we can select class, let's say primary 1, So we get them. So you can print bill specific by clicking on it. It gives you the bill for the students. You can also print bills by class, or you can print all bills. When you click on it, it gives you all the bills, and then you can print. You can just issue the printout and print all the bills for the school, and then to print them one after the other. So that is how it is.